In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat save in chat option showing. So please watch the video until the end and follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. First is you want to open your Snapchat, and when you try to send a photo message to your friend, so for example, let's try to send a photo message. What you want to make sure of is to set the timer to no limit. This is the first thing you want to make sure to send this with no limit. And if it doesn't show, it doesn't fix your problem, what you want to do is to clear the cache of your Snapchat app. So we want to go to our phone settings and go to our app settings and just find Snapchat. From here, we want to select Snapchat and go to its storage. From here, we want to clear Snapchat's cache. And the next thing we want to do is make sure that our Snapchat app is updated. So you want to go to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. And when you open Snapchat, you want to make sure that it's up to date and it doesn't say update here. You will only see uninstall or open. This means that your Snapchat is up to date. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.